I'm in a trade currently. It's been a rough trading week just because I haven't really been very decisive because I've been having a lot of personal stuff going on. So I've been very indecisive with my trades, which I highly recommend you don't trade that way because you will go from being profitable to completely non-profitable, and it's not the best thing. So right now, I took this trade though with natural gas. The reason why I took this trade, it's at a high level of resistance down here. Um, Rejected, came back up, it retraced back down, but it retraced right into this. And it didn't show indication of any seller pressure. Buyers hopped in right around here, which I expected. If you look to the left of me, to give a better look idea, um, right here, buyers typically come in. If it doesn't break these levels, so I do think it's going to continue to trade above here. And it had a nice sell-off over this past week. Do I think it's going to come all the way back up here anytime soon? I do not think that right now. I'm just trying to make my money. My target, honestly, is probably going to be somewhere around this level of 31.80, which is $3.18. This is natural gas. Um, that's my target. And I also, if I hit my target for the day, really is $500. So I'm also might just get out the trade. But you see these wicks rejected. When they retraced back here at this level, it held this level. Price was trapped right around here. I jumped in the trade here. I actually had a buy limit that was activated. You can even see it to the right where I had my limits here. Jumped in, activated 4 contracts with natural gas. I'm in profit. Um, I might take it just because I gotta, like I said, I still work. So I want to hop into work. I don't want to just hold the trade. The market isn't moving very strong right now. And so I'm just literally trying to figure this out. Um, if you look over to the right, MNQ is trading pretty nicely on the sell. I saw this as well. I just didn't hop in time. So when I looked at it, I saw it happening here. And then next thing I look, it already dropped. And it dropped here, and then it was playing here. And I wanted to pull back here and never pull back up to this level, even up to this wick, I don't think. When I kept looking at it. So I just decided not to. So you got to trust, you got to take your setups. One thing sometimes I've done recently, just because I've been so busy, have so much going on, I've been allowing myself to just jump in trades that I normally won't jump in, even if it does go my way, but I'm not taking my setup, and that's very important. That's how you become profitable. That's how you become consistent. You have to take your trade consistently, and that's how you build those reps, and that's how you build that confidence in your trades, right? That's how you become truly profitable. The people that's doing it full time, they continue to take their setup over and over, prove to themselves, scaled, and then you can make larger amounts of money. Then you can go from making $300 a day or $500 a trade to making 5,000 a trade, 10,000 a trade, right? So when you see people posting their lifestyle and all this stuff, it take the ones that's actually have that lifestyle for real from trading specifically, they had to earn it. They had to work their way up to that level, and it takes time. And so it takes others longer. It takes, it's about, learning off the curve. So right now, this is the trade I'm in. Um, Depending on, I might update you with what will happen. It is pulling back some, so I want to see if it pulls back below here, or if I'm going to see a nice like push up. So we'll just see. But I will update you guys if anything major changes.